Welcome back to Enly Self-Study. Today's video is based on distance time graphs. A distance time graph can be used for finding out how far an object has traveled over a specific period, or the total distance traveled, the speed at different points in time, or we can find out whether the object is having uniform or non-uniform motion, and so on. So let's get started. Here the distance time graph of two buses are given, and when you look at the graph you can see that bus A starts from 0, and at the same time we can see that the bus B starts from 100. Now look at the questions given here. How much ahead of A is B? Then we should find out the speed of B and speed of A. Then they're asking us when and where A will catch B. What is the difference between the speed of A and B, and whether the motion is uniform or non-uniform. So we'll solve it one by one. How much ahead of A is B when the motion starts? So A starts from 0, B starts from 100. So the difference between these 2 points, that will give you the answer. So we can see that the difference is 100 kilometer. So we can write here B is ahead of A by 100 kilometer. Now second question, what is the speed of B? So PB is the line which represent the bus B, the motion of bus B. So if you want to find out the speed of B, it is enough that we find out the slope of the line, slope of line PB. Now how to find out the slope of PB? Here you can take 2 points P and Q and then draw perpendiculars, and from P also draw perpendicular. So QR by PR, QR by PR. How will you find out QR? It is 150 minus 100. So 150 minus 100, and PR means 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. So 50 by 2 will give you 25. Distance is given in kilometer and time is in hour. So 25 kilometer per hour. Next question is when and where A will catch B. So look at the figure, you can see, look at the graph, you can see that at point Q the two graphs meet. So that is a point where A and B meet each other. Now from Q you draw perpendicular to the distance axis. So that will give you 150 kilometer, and then down to the time axis, that will give you the time. So when and where? So we can write A and B meet each other at 150 kilometer after 2 hours. What is the difference between the speed of A and B? We already found the speed of B, which is 25 kilometer per hour. Now let us find out the speed of A. So speed of A we can find using the graph OA. So let us take the points O and Q and find out the slope of the line. So that is equal to slope of line OA. So we are taking the points O and Q. So drop the perpendicular here. So this will be our y coordinate and this will be our x coordinate. So you remember the formula y2 minus y1 by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We are making use of that. So this is equal to For y coordinate we will get 150 minus 0, and for the x coordinate we will get 2 minus 0. So 150 divided by 2, which is 75 km per hour. Now find the difference between. So the difference between the speeds of A and B equal to 75 minus 25, which is 50 km per hour. And the last one, is the motion of both the bus uniform or non-uniform? So look at the graph OA and PB. Here we are having a straight line. So straight line shows that the motion of both the buses are uniform. So we can write yes, the motion of both the buses are uniform. Since the graphs are straight lines.